Every process begins where the fruit first meets the earth.
Quality is chosen before a single machine turns.
Harvest demands strength, guided by care. Order begins even before transport. Scale transforms effort into efficiency. The journey toward processing begins to move. Only the best fruit moves forward.
From field to factory, momentum takes over.
Distance turns harvest into supply. Logistics binds farms to factories.
Every mile narrows the gap to transformation.
Production. A threshold opens, and the factory takes control. Heavy fruit moves forward on precision and steel. Every load must be clean before it becomes food. Clean pathways protect what people will drink.
Positioned perfectly, the next machine takes the weight.
The flow replaces handling as machines take charge.
Every surface is cleaned before anything is cut.
Motion and water strip away the field's last traces. Cleanliness prepares fruit for inspection. Technology sees what hands cannot. Only the right fruit earns the next step.
Human judgment confirms machine decisions.
Preparation ends where transformation begins.
This is where structure gives way to purpose.
Accuracy begins before the first cut. Steel meets fruit with measured force. Breaking form prepares the path to liquid. Only what matters moves ahead. Structure dissolves into flow.
The fruit begins to speak as liquid.
Flow now belongs to the system. Once liquid, direction becomes destiny. Separation defines purity. What remains moves on. Clarity is engineered, not assumed. Speed refines what gravity cannot.
Control is measured in drops.
Volume prepares the next change. Heat waits where safety begins. Automation guards what humans will consume.
Temperature becomes protection.
Consistency is programmed, not guessed. Heat leaves, freshness remains. Precision keeps every drop equal. Quality is verified in motion. Clean systems ensure clean results. Automation hands off to refinement. Stability prepares juice for perfection. Precision removes what the eye can't see.
Air leaves so flavor can last.
Every drop becomes the same promise. Readiness is measured in balance. Control tightens before release. The final form is moments away. Quality checks interrupt nothing, but protect everything. Verification begins with a single sample. Numbers confirm what taste promises.
Safety is proven, not assumed.
Balance defines fresh.
Approval releases the final step.
Confidence flows back into motion. Sealing protects what machines have perfected. Identity is added at the final moment. Nothing leaves unseen. Speed meets repetition without error.
Volume becomes inventory.
Waiting is part of distribution.
The journey continues beyond the factory.
And this is how modern factories produce watermelon juice from start to finish.